minutes లోనే క్లోజ్ చేస్తా చిన్న టాపిక్. Okay, let it be. So today we are going to start our next topic, that is so 10 minutes build. Okay, so fast build. So fast build in the sense whenever we are going to be developing any project, right? So we have to focus on mainly, means at what time we have to deliver that product to the customer. We have to see that things and what are the things we have involved in that project. Is that will be the sufficient time to work on that or not? Okay, so every day they will be conducting some meeting. Okay, every day they will be conducting some meeting to discuss what are the things they have done and what are the things they have pending. Okay, so like that they will be doing some meetings, and they, according to that, they are going to be testing all the release package within under 10 minutes. Okay, by using some automated tools. Okay, with the help of that tools they can develop that product. They can conduct some meetings and they can focus on that and can work on that, right? So mainly this 10 minutes build to build a tested release package. Already tested and release package will be there. Okay, it can be tested under 10 minutes. Okay, by some automated tools, right? So automate your build to increase more productivity. So we have to automate that our tool or whatever the projects we have developed, right, to increase our productivity, so that once the customer is satisfied with that product, definitely we will be getting more and more orders, right? So instead of working manually, we have to use some automated tools, right? Where to work manually, these all things we have to check like that. And automating legacy projects, automating existing projects, adding new build to it, right? So whenever the projects we are going to be developing, first we are going to be checking some template or existing project. What are the new things we have to add to that existing project? Okay, so that we can save the time and we can work on that, right? And results, with a good automated build, you can build a release anytime you want when your build is fast and well automated, right? So if it is working perfectly within that time and it is fast, means everyone will be interacted and will be able to use that particular application, right? For example, if you people are doing any transaction or any shopping in any particular website, right? If that website is opening immediately and providing whatever the information you need, and according to your reaction, if it is working perfectly, means you will be happy and you want to go for the next time also, right? Once the page if you are unable to open that particular page, okay, like Amazon or Flipkart, ఆ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి టైం పడుతుంది, ఇంకా కస్టమర్ ఆగుతాడమ్మా, ఆగడు, రైట్? సో అలాంటి డ్రాబ్యాక్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి here in the results they are going to be using like a good automated builds, right? So build a release and at any time you want, and it should be a fast and well automated, right? And contradiction, some projects are too large for the 10 minutes rule to be effective, which takes more time, right? Some projects will be like it consumes more and much time, okay, for the long projects or the large projects will be there na. దానికి అంత ఎఫెక్టివ్ అనేది ఉండదు ఈ 10 minutes build. And alternatives, if the project truly is too large to build in 10 minutes, it's probably under the development by multiple teams. Okay, multiple teams will be working on that, and they will be divided into sub teams and can be splitting that project into independent pieces, and they are going to be building that and test that separately within that time, right? So whatever the large products are there, we are simply splitting and independently working on that. So like that also we can do test within that particular time, right? So that is a 10 minutes build, means fast build. Simply we can say that fast builds, mainly it will be used for the continuous integrations, whenever we are integrating our code, okay, from one language to the another language, or we are going to be developing or converting that code into, right, code from one platform to the another platform. At that time it will be like providing integrating within few hours, right? So each integration involves two builds, one on your machine and one on the integration machine, right? One is on our machine and another will be the integration machine. So both will be converting and they will be displaying as a one project, like that, right? If the builds breaks, you to roll back your changes. Okay, so you can if you want to change any changes, or these all things will be possible. So this is one of the easiest way to build under 5 minutes, ma. Okay, 5 minutes to 10 maximum, to keep that all build times down and from the beginning. So one team, when they are working and they have started, okay, to look for ways to speed up the build whenever it exceeded 100 seconds. Okay, so if they have kept some time limit, if it is existed, okay, in worst case, what they will be doing is they will be splitting into some teams, okay, dividing that all works, right? All works, has a small parts they will be dividing, and independently they will be working on that, right? So like that, they can build their integration and can run their servers and can check-ins, right? So be careful. This approach lead is more built failures than a single. Fast build does. Keep working on making your build faster. So whenever we are going to be work or developing any particular project, definitely we have to look after that. Whenever the customer is opening or using, it have to open immediately. So we have to check our servers and we have to run it. If it is slow means definitely we lose our customers, right? So like that, as we discussed the example, like if we are opening any Amazon or a Flipkart page, if it is open or consumes some few seconds of time, then it is okay. If it is taking much time means customer will be diverting for the next applications, right? So like that. So this is about the fast build, ma'am. Okay, fast build.